So hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So see, Excel on daily basis it is used in so many offices, platforms, shops. Everyone is using Excel in different ways. So one of my friend is there, okay, and he has one shop where he is using Excel to record his daily sales. So he was facing one issue. So I will show you what. As you can see the screen here, see he has some of the products which is called nuts, cashew, some dry fruits are there. Okay, so what he is doing, he has entered two column. One is sales and second one is count. So what he is entering in the sales column, he is entering the sale in weight. Okay, so like 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, like this he is entering the sales. And what he's doing, he's typing, he is doing the data entry like this. Like if we are entering one, okay, so see already I think some format is saved for this, so delete this. So what he's doing is typing, and he's doing the data entry in like this: kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, like this he is doing the data entry in his sales record sheet. And similarly, one more thing I will show you. First just watch this. Like give an example like 3 kg and 34 kg, like this he is doing the data entry. And when he want the total sales, okay, so he want the sum of this. So whenever we are entering values, okay, only values like 1 2 3 4, and if you want sum, just we have to press alt plus enter and you will get the desired sum. But when the same thing we will try in this column, okay, just try it. I will type the formula of sum, and I will select this 4 cell and press enter. You can see the value is 0, okay, because the value entered here are not a value, it is a uh, combination of a value and a text, okay. But how to get the sum? This is the first trick what I am going to show you, okay. And second one is count. So what he is doing while doing the data entry in his Excel sheet, count, he is giving the in boxes, okay. So what he is doing, he is typing like this: one box, and if more than one box, he is typing as boxes, okay. So like this he is typing, and 23 given example of this. And same, if we want the sum, we can't do it. You can try, just give the sum formula, okay, already given, and press enter. You can see the value is 0 because here values are not there. Excel is not taking it as a value. Excel is taking this entry as a text, okay, or general. That's why the total sum, we are not getting the sum. And one more thing, you can see here in this cell I have entered one box, okay, and in the second cell I have entered 3 boxes. So what I want, whenever I am doing the entry, so the count should be, Excel should take the entry as, if I am giving it 1, Excel will give it as 1 box, okay. Whenever I am giving the entry as 1, Excel will count it as 1 box, okay. I will show you. You can see here, I will delete this first, okay. So just type 1, okay. You can see I will just zoom it little so that you can see properly. You can see whenever I am typing 1, Excel is taken at 1 box. And when I am giving the entry more than 1 like this, so Excel will count it as 23 boxes, okay. So here in place of boxes are coming. And when I want sum, you can see already sum formula I have given in this. So you can see sum is coming directly. Total, what is the sum? Total sum is 28. Similarly for this also, sales count 1 kg. I have given 1 kg. Okay, I have entered only 1. You can see, you can create this and you can see the entries. If I am giving 2, you can see automatically kg is coming with the value. Okay, give it 4, 45 or 70. So you can see kg already it is coming with this entries. And when I will do sum, just type the formula of sum. You can see total sum also. I am getting the total sum. So how I did this? So I will show you how. Okay, these tricks are very useful for you. So I will show you how. So what I have to do, first delete these entries. Okay, and select this 4 cell first. First I will show you the first trick, which is how to add kg. You can add kg, gram, whatever units, measuring units you can add. One like liters, you can add it. So just select this 4 cell. Okay, now go to your format. Okay, so here you can see in the right side in the format, in home tab, here is format is there. Just click on the format, go down, and here you can see format cell. Okay, now this screen came. In this screen you can see general, numbers, currency, so many different categories are there. So go to custom. Okay, I have selected custom, and in custom what we have to do, just first delete these entries. What I have to do, just type hash space hash 3 times, and then what I want kg. Okay, I want kg. So just give space, colon, and type kg and close the colon. Okay, just close the colon and click on OK. Okay, now it is done. Now once I type 1, you can see the changes. You can see the magic. It is automatically kg is coming. Okay, whatever unit I want to give in this cell, you can change the format and you can give it. And if you want sum, that also you will get. Just try it. Sum, give the formula for sum, select the 4 cell and press enter. You can see sum. This cell I have not selected. Okay, so I will give this cell also the same format. Just click on one cell, click on your format painter in clipboard and just click on the cell. Now see, I got the total sum of 124 kg. Okay, this is the sale quantity. Now for the second trick, count. So how? See, in this, whenever I'm typing one box, whenever I'm typing 1, so what is coming? Box. With 1 box is coming. And when I will type 2, so automatically it will take boxes. So for this, what we have to do, and simultaneously I want sum also. Okay, if I am giving sum a formula, so I want sum also. If I will give like 0, okay, so you can see what came, 1 box came. And if it is more than 1 box, so boxes. So this, how we are going to do this, just watch it. What you have to do, just select the cell. Again same, go to your format. You can just right click on this cell and you can directly go from here. Here you can see format cells are there. Click on format cell. Now go down, click on custom and remove this general. Okay, general I have removed. And what I have to do, just first criteria is if the count is 1 or less than 1, it will take box, and if it is more than 1, it should take boxes. So just type first open bracket. Okay, first criteria is, what is the first criteria? 1. So is equal to 1. Okay, close the bracket. This is my first criteria. Okay, this is my first criteria. Again, you have to type, if it is equal to 1, then what should come? Box. Okay, with the value box should come. So hash. Okay, just type box and close this. Now what is my second criteria? My second criteria is, if it is not is equal to 1 or less than more, if it is greater than 1, then what should come? It should come boxes. So just same hash, here you can type boxes and close the. Now everything is done. See what I have given. If the value is equal to 1, then what should come? Box should come. And if the value is greater than 1, okay, I have taken only one criteria, is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then it should come along with box. And if it is not is equal to 1, it should come without box. It should come only boxes. Okay, like 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes. It should come in this way. So I have given my criteria. Okay, I have customized this format and just click OK. Now you can see here, whenever I will type 1, you can see box. Okay, you can give some space also, okay, if you want. So what I will do, I will give some space in this. After hash, I will give some space. Okay, and press OK. So you can see now some space came between my box and the value 1. Now again, if I will type more than 1, like 2, then automatically it is taking boxes. Now type 4, and if I am typing 34, and simultaneously if I want sum also, so just I have to type my sum formula. Okay, and you can get the total count. What is the total count of boxes I have done sale? Okay, and similarly, this was my 2 useful tricks. Okay, these are the 2 useful tricks you can try, and you can get your work done in easily you can get your work done. Because see, if we are taking only values, so we can do sum easily without doing any changes without in the format. But if you are not taking any values, if you are taking, your format is text, if you are including any text with your values, then how to do sum? So using this trick, you can easily do sum or whatever. Apart from sum, if you want multiplication, so you can just you can do multiplication, sum, subtraction, whatever you want you can do if you are changing the formula format of your cell using these 2 tricks. Okay, I hope you learned this. Okay, these are the 2 very useful tricks what you can utilize in Excel and make your data entry very simple and easy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you do like and like this video. And if you like, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because if you will hit it, you will get the notification of each and every latest video what I'm going to upload on Excel and other softwares. So just keep learning. See you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.